Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We got another first look for a consigned unit, 2019 Polaris Turbo S. This one's got the goods on it. We got a lot of cool accessories on this one. Check out the build sheet in the description below, but wanted to hop on here, give you that first look. We'll have a lot more detailed info to come, and if there's anything specific you would like to see about the unit, give us a call or shoot us a text. Very clean, nothing wrong with it. Very nice, very nice. We will have this on the showroom floor if you'd like to come and check it out. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.